In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad Pro 13.2 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by downloading your new defaults. When you're ready, you can go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll down just a bit and click on Apps and Services. Then select the default apps and click on one of those sections that you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one to apply it. When you finished, confirm your choice in the pop-up by hitting Change. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!